Hey everybody, today we are going to try to knock off this rust and put some of that Johnson Minwax on there. So good or bad, I didn't know. I didn't use any chemicals or anything like that to get the rust off. I just used a good old-fashioned elbow grease with a dash of 120 grit sandpaper, and it seemed to work really well. The time I got into this is about 30 minutes of sanding. Johnson's paste wax. So here I went on Amazon, got the Johnson's paste wax, and also got some applicator pads for around 20 bucks for the whole thing. So here I'm just applying it pretty liberally, getting it in all the spots I need that I don't want the rust to get to. Here I am putting on the back fence again after taking it off to get all the sanding part, and also applying the paste wax to this. I did about 2 coats on everything. I'm not sure what the proper amount is or anything like that, so if you have any comments, please let me know. Alright, so if you've seen in the video before, I couldn't turn this thing. It was getting in the way of that. Well, pull it up to unlock it, and then that way. That way you can lock everything in tight without having to worry about everything else. So that's pretty cool. Here I am just making sure that everything's square to the top of the deck here, and just making sure, double check, triple check. Okay. Alright, so you see here I'm trying to do the wire brush method to take this trunk off, and just was not happening. So in the beginning of the project, I grabbed this wire brush out thinking I was actually going to do something with it. Tried to scrape off the first rust with it and just went nowhere with it. So that's where I got the palm sander and just used that to do that. Here I am just taping up the everything there so it doesn't get painted. I'm going to spray paint this thing to make it look a little bit better. So I really contemplating painting the whole thing, but with one hand broken right now, this would seem like the easiest and nicest way to make it look good. What I'm going to do, let's go ahead and just dust this whole thing off real quick. So tell me your guys' thoughts on painting tools. I think I really want to kind of paint it, but I'm not sure. So good. We allowed this to dry. Take off the tape. Yeah, it was a little dirty, so.
It's dirty red. This is very dirty.
Yep.
You can try a hammer down.
There it goes. I changed out the blades out prior to this video. I apologize. So you can see the new blades are in there. So we'll see what happens. I got some big oak pieces I'm gonna try. I want to get this thing lined up just right so we can get a good shot of it. But man, smooth and slick. Man, that's nice. That paste wax done real good. Alright, what I got here is some rough cut red oak. Bigger than 6 inches, but I'm going to do just the end face here just to try that, see how that goes, and then maybe we'll cut it down and try to do a different piece. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. All right, very pleased. Things slid across like butter. Everybody, thanks for watching this latest video. You can see I'm bummed up and broke my arm, so it's going to be hard to make some build videos, but I'm going to try to do the best I can to keep videos coming. So I appreciate you guys watching, and please consider subscribing and hitting that like notification and also the bell notification. Just hit everything. And keep on watching, and I got to find a good outro. What should I say, Cole? What should I say?
Hit a plant.
Hit a plant.